In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image in Weavy AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a fresh workspace, access the import options, and bring an image from your computer into your file without confusion. I'll walk you through each click and share a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening the Weavy AI app in your web browser. Give it a moment to load. You'll land in the interface where you can start new work or open existing projects. Next, choose Create New File. This opens a clean canvas where you can add assets. Think of it as a blank page dedicated to the content you're about to build. Creating a new file helps keep your upload contained to one place so nothing from other projects gets in the way. With your new file open, move your cursor to an empty area of the canvas and right-click. You're not clicking on a toolbar or an existing object, just the blank space. This brings up a context menu with quick actions. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works. On some keyboards, holding Control while clicking does the same thing. The key is to open the menu from an area with nothing selected. From that context menu, choose Import. This option is specifically designed to bring external files into your current canvas. It tells the app you want to add something from your computer, rather than drawing or inserting a built-in element. You'll now see the prompt that says drag and drop or click to upload. You have two choices, and both accomplish the same result. If your image file is already visible in your desktop or File Explorer, grab it and drag it right onto that area, then release. If you don't have it handy, click the upload area instead. Your operating system's file picker will open so you can navigate to the image you want. Select your file. Common formats like PNG and JPG usually work well, then confirm. Larger files may take a moment to process, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. When the upload completes, your image will appear on the canvas, ready for you to continue working in your file. If the right-click menu doesn't show up, make sure you're clicking on a truly empty part of the canvas and not on a sidebar or toolbar. If the upload doesn't start, try a standard click to upload instead of drag and drop. That's all there is to it. Open the app, create a new file, right-click the empty canvas, choose Import, and drag or click to upload your image. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Weavy AI.